Right now, BMW key programming is changing fast, and if you work on modern BMWs, this update can completely change how smoothly your day goes in the workshop. Imagine copying BMW BDC keys without pulling out modules, without extra licenses, and without the usual headache that comes with G-Series security. That is exactly what we're diving into today, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why this update matters more than most technicians realize. Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted place for automobile diagnostics, advanced programming tools, and real-world workshop knowledge you can actually use. Today we're talking about the brand new BMW Immobilizer software update coming to Autel IM devices, specifically focused on BMW BDC2, BDC3, and BCP key copy functionality. This is one of those updates that quietly drops, but once you understand it, you realize how big it actually is. Before we move further, just a quick reminder to support Baabji Motors. If you enjoy clear, practical automotive content like this, take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps more technicians find the right information instead of guessing their way through expensive jobs. Now, a quick but important disclaimer. This video is created strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Everything discussed here is intended to help technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts understand modern vehicle systems better. Any brand names or trademarks belong to their respective owners, and always follow manufacturer procedures and local laws when performing key programming or Immobilizer work. Here's the big question I want you to think about as we go through this video. With BMW constantly tightening security, is key copying finally becoming simpler again for independent workshops? Or is this just a temporary advantage before the next lockout? Stick with me till the very end, because I'll answer that with real-world logic, not marketing talk. Now let's break this update down clearly. Autel has officially rolled out a BMW Immobilizer software update under the Maxi IM platform. This update supports BMW vehicles built on the G chassis, U chassis, and selected F chassis platforms. That alone is huge, because these platforms cover most modern BMWs currently coming into workshops for lost keys, spare keys, and key duplication jobs. This update is fully compatible with the Autel IM508 and the Autel IM608 series. That means whether you're using the more compact IM508 or the flagship IM608, you're getting access to the same BMW BDC key copy functionality, provided you meet the hardware requirements. The most important highlight here is support for copying BMW BDC2, BDC3, and BCP keys. Earlier, these jobs often meant removing modules, opening control units, or relying on expensive add-on licenses. With this update, no module removal is required. Everything is handled through supported procedures, which saves time, reduces risk, and keeps vehicles safer from accidental damage. And here's a detail many technicians will appreciate. Autel has made this BDC2, BDC3, and BCP key copy function available as a free update. There is no additional software license required anymore. Once your device is updated, the function is unlocked, which honestly feels like Autel saying, "We've got your back," instead of asking for another payment. Of course, there are still some technical requirements you must meet. Key programming with this update requires the XP400 Pro key programmer. This is non-negotiable because the XP400 Pro handles the transponder and key data processing needed for BMW security systems. An active internet connection is also required during the process, as Autel servers handle authentication and data verification for these advanced BMW systems. Now let's talk about keys, because using the correct key is critical here. For this update, Autel recommends using their dedicated BMW IKEys. Specifically, the supported options include the Autel BMW 3-button IKEY model IKEY003A and the Autel BMW 4-button IKEY model IKEY004AL. Using the correct IKEY ensures proper synchronization with the vehicle and avoids unnecessary programming failures. Trying to save money on the wrong key here is like using a screwdriver as a hammer. It might work once, but you probably won't like the result. One thing I really like about this update is how practical it is for real workshops. No module removal means lower risk, faster turnaround, and happier customers. And happier customers usually mean fewer phone calls asking, "Bye. Key ready hua kia?" halfway through the job. Now let's answer that question I asked earlier. Is BMW key copying becoming easier again? The honest answer is yes. For now, it absolutely is. Autel has clearly invested in keeping independent workshops competitive by simplifying BDC key copy workflows and removing license barriers. But BMW security is always evolving, so the real advantage goes to technicians who stay updated invest in the right tools, and keep learning instead of relying on outdated methods. Personally, I think this update is a strong move by Autel. Making such a critical function free shows confidence in their ecosystem and respect for technicians who already invested in their hardware. It's the kind of update that doesn't just add features, it actually improves daily workflow. Here's a useful tip before we wrap up. Always update your Autel device and test new functions on a stable power supply with a healthy vehicle battery. Many failed BMW key jobs happen not because of software, but because voltage drops at the worst possible moment. If this video helped you understand the Autel IM608 and IM508 BMW BDC2, BDC3, and BCP key copy update more clearly, I want to hear from you. Drop your experience, questions, or even your doubts in the comments. Let's push this video together to 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments, so YouTube knows this content actually helps real technicians. Please like the video, comment your thoughts, hype it up if you relate to these workshop struggles, and subscribe to Baabji Motors. Share it with another technician who's still removing modules the hard way. This support helps the YouTube algorithm push our videos, helps Baabji Motors grow toward #1, and I know my loyal subscribers will definitely do their part. And one last thing, if you want to support the channel even more, check the affiliate links in the description for the exact tools used in this video, and consider joining the channel membership. It directly helps us create more honest, practical content like this for the automotive community. Thanks for watching, keep sharpening your skills, keep learning every day, and as always,